Nice, warm, breezy day, and the setup began for the tastiest place in town. The Chow Wagon on the waterfront is moving into place now. The food court area of the festival will be open on April 23rd. Happy hours from 4 to 6 every day, so you can grab a drink after work with friends and enjoy cheaper food and drinks. It's a good central spot for events like the Great Steamboat Race, the Balloon Glow, and more. We hope the weather cooperates. As we know, the Derby Festival always gets some great days and then just some days that are just say, oh, forget that, see you next year.
But you know what? People are used to that every year, Derby Festival time and Derby time. So, and that certainly sounds good to make me hungry this time.
I know.
Chow wagon, right?
You can smell the grilled onions now coming down the waterfront.
Very exciting. But yeah, as you mentioned, we're about 50-50 for rain on days like Thunder, on Derby. And if you're a local, if you're around here, we just have to roll with the punches and keep an eye on the forecast each and every day. But as we mentioned off the top, we do have a weather impact alert day on Saturday due to the potential for showers and storms to impact the air show and potentially the fireworks show on Thunder over Louisville. We'll have a better timeline for those risks, of course, as we do get closer. Right now, we're just dealing with a summer-like weather pattern. Temperatures well above average, close to daily records as we continue to top out in the 80s. And we do have a few isolated storm chances today and tomorrow, primarily in southern Indiana. Most of us staying dry. Better chance for some scattered rain on Thursday and then again on Saturday. So here's what your rain chances look over the next 5 days. 20% chance today, Wednesday and Friday, up to 60% for both Thursday and Saturday. And then we trend drier Sunday through likely at least the middle part of next week. Max HG satellite and radar, all is dry here in the Louisville metro area. We've been seeing a mix of sun and clouds today. Cloudy at times, sometimes dark clouds. It might look like it's about to storm, but we tend to stay dry. And you'll notice where the storms are concentrated. A lot of these storm tracks are staying just off to our north and off to our northwest. And that looks to be the case again this evening, cutting through the Indianapolis metro and then likely diving into central Ohio, staying just north of most of our viewing area. Though if you're in one of our northernmost counties, Jackson, Jennings, Lawrence counties up in southern Indiana, you have a better chance of seeing an isolated shower or storm today and also tomorrow as well. Tomorrow's forecast looking pretty similar to today. Your hour-by-hour futurecast, very warm, breezy at times. We have the southwest winds gusting 20-25 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 80s for this evening. Temperatures will dip down likely just into the mid to upper 60s tomorrow morning. So we are not going to cool off much overnight. We're expecting partly sunny skies again tomorrow. Any kind of shower or storm activity once again hovering closer to our north. We could have a few more storms that get pretty close to Bedford, Seymour, North Vernon. So I'd say if you're in southern Indiana, you might have about a 30% chance of seeing a storm tomorrow afternoon or evening. If you're on the Kentucky side, it's more like 10 to 20% chance on Wednesday. And then once we carry into Thursday, we do have a better chance for some scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms in the morning, and we'll see if any storms produce again during the afternoon and evening hours. Once again, watching Saturday for the potential of showers and thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. Not great timing there for, of course, the air show and the thunderworks and the fireworks. Behind that front, though, we have much quieter conditions Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And a reminder, with storms in the forecast, you can stream the radar anytime with the WHAS 11 Plus app.